Good evening, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. Today I want to share with you guys a game-changing product that I received a couple weeks ago by a company called Thickening. Now, if you're new to the channel, and I always like to kind of open with this, that I review all different kinds of products. So if you guys have followed me for the smart home tech, the grooming aspect of the channel, the smart home tech, there's a little something for everyone on my channel. And I've been lately reaching out to men's grooming companies. And, you know, I've worked with a lot of different cologne companies, hundreds of cologne companies. I love smelling good. I love smelling different. And I love getting my hands on a new cologne. Also, on the opposite side of grooming, I take a lot of pride in my hair. You'll never see me leave the house. Now, whether you like my hair or not really doesn't matter. I absolutely like my hair. The only things that I wish were different is that I had more of it and it was thicker hair strands. So those are the two things that I have going against me. So I'm always on the hunt for products that might help to make my hair more manageable and make it look better, you know. And ultimately, it's really about what you feel in here and being the best you can be and just feeling good about yourself and having confidence. And now, I'm not saying that if my hair ever got to the point where, you know, there wasn't much left, then I would go Jason Statham style and just buzz it right off. And, you know, there's lots of different levels of, you know, I mean, this is not something, you know, in the beginning I used to feel really self-conscious about my hair. When I turned 30, it started to get a little bit thinner. Fortunately, it hasn't gotten any thinner between like 34 and now, which we're not going to disclose the age, okay? But, you know, it was something when it first started happening that really sucks. And for any of you guys who've experienced anything, you know, in regards to having an issue with the hair, thinning hair, going balding, receding hairline, you know, I feel for you. It's a shitty thing to have to deal with, but there are lots of products that will help. Unfortunately, nothing's going to bring it back or give you more without thousands of dollars for surgeries. And you know, I've seen those videos, and man, not for me. I'm very content with where I'm at. So everybody's hair is different. Everybody's going to have, you know, everybody's going to have things that they like and things they dislike. I mean, I talked to my hairdresser. I've been going to her for 20 years, and her husband has, and her kid, super thick hair. I mean, super thick, tons of it. You know, and you know, he don't like it because, you know, he can't style it. And like, she was like, oh, he can never pull off your hairstyle. It just doesn't. His hair would never do that. You know. So everybody's got things about themselves that they like and dislike. And ultimately, it's just about being, again, doing what works for you and what really makes you happy. Not what other people think you should do. Not what makes other people happy. Do what makes you happy. So with that being said, I reached out to a few different companies. And this is another company. They were nice to send me a whole bunch of different products, from soaps to body scrubber to, and when I say soap, I mean bar soap. I'm more of a bar soap guy as opposed to a gel. I feel like gels, most of it ends up down the drain. You know, I like a bar soap. So I like high quality bar soaps. This company is fantastic. If you haven't checked out my unboxing on this stuff, check it out. Stay tuned over the next several months. I'll be talking specifically about each bar soap and each product. But today I want to do one, or share one with you guys that's, I think, a real game-changing product for whatever kind of hair you have, whatever kind of style you have. This is for everybody, and females too. But this one is geared more towards men because it has more of a manly smell to it. So the product is right here. This is their Thickening News Anchor Thickening Tonic. And what this is basically a sea salt spray with some additional ingredients. If you're not familiar with a sea salt spray, basically it is exactly what it is. It's a sea salt spray. It's sea salt in a liquid, you know, concoction or a tonic. And if you've ever gone to a beach, and I hope you have, if you ever gone to a beach, went swimming, you know, spent the day at the beach, went swimming in salt water, and got out and your hair dries in the sun, your hair will feel like it has more texture, more volume, and more fullness. And that's the beautiful benefits of salt on hair. It is absolutely fantastic. Not only is salt great for the antibiotic qualities or the antiseptic qualities, but just the fact of what it does to your hair. It seems like it plumps up the hair. It feels like it just gives you more body texture. It's not something that is like going to be in your mind. You will notice a difference. And whether you wear your hair like me with lots of product, whether you wear your hair slicked like me, more you have a wet look, you wear your hair dry, you have a big, beautiful, you know, show quality head of hair that you blow dry, and you know, whatever product you use, a pre-styler like this, a sea salt spray, is great. Even if you're the kind of person that doesn't even style their hair, if you add this into your hair, even just, you know, crawl on a bed, throw this in there and throw a comb through it or brush it, whatever you may do, this is going to add something to your hair. Again, it's going to feel like you have a little bit of a hold, some volume, some texture. It is a no-brainer. I think that anybody, especially if you take pride in if you have a hairstyle, and I know there's lots of guys out there who don't. They roll out of bed, they throw on a hat, and that's the end of it. You know, and maybe, I guess for you, if you really hide your hair, guys, a lot of you have great friggin' hair. I mean, don't hide it, man. Go see a barber. Go. I mean, again, don't listen to me if you're happy with that. Fine, but I just think it's really something that it really makes all the difference. But anyway, if you are, again, a guy who does comb your hair when you leave the house, that does see a hairdresser, gets your hair did, use a pre-styling spray. You will thank me for it. So let's talk a little bit more about this. This here does have a very mild hold to it, very mild. So if you're used to, if you're like, yeah, you know, I don't want to put anything in my hair, I like it just being natural, this is going to be very subtle. You can still use this and not feel like you have product in your hair. It's going to feel like your hair just took on like a new attitude, but it's all you, okay? It says here, Formulated, delivering natural texture and a thicker, fuller, put-together look that commands the respect of others. Sea salt for a naturally textured hold. It does have, and this is great for me, anti-static agents to control flyaway. If I wash my hair, right, when I get in the shower, wash my hair, and let's just say I'm going to lounge around the house and don't put anything in it, that'll never happen because my hair, because it's so fine, the amount of static electricity that I get in my hair, it is so annoying. I can feel it. It blows in the wind like this. It's horrible. So even if I'm just going to lounge around, if I take a shower, now that I found this product or products like this, or this product specifically, even if I get out of the shower and I know I'm just going to hop in bed and just relax or watch a movie or go to bed, I will spray this pre-styler in my hair just to control the static and just give it some texture and allow it just to kind of sort of take on the look that I get every single day by styling my hair. So it's fantastic. It is enriched with plant-based thickeners, which you are going to notice a thicker... now, I'm not going to say if you're a guy with thinning hair that you're going to spray this on and you're going to be like, you look like you're, you know, Aaron Marino, okay, from Alpha Male, okay? It's not going to happen. You got what you got. That's the way it is. But it will definitely give you, again, that volume, body, and texture that you didn't have. That's going to be super noticeable. It's water-based for easy rinse out, so naturally it's not going to create a grimy mess in your hair. It's going to come right out. It is very light. And no residual residue or stickiness left behind. And it's free of alcohol, parabens, and phthalates. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. And it's really straightforward. You hold it about 4-6 inches away from your hair, spray it on, get it into the roots. I comb mine in to get it throughout the entire head of hair. And not only is your hair going to smell fantastic, I find myself kind of moving forward and going back and catching a whiff of it. It smells great. It's going to, you know, make a huge difference in your hair. So that's about it, really. That's the Duke Cannon News Anchor Thickening Tonic. If anything, it's like cologne for your hair. Even if you're like, I don't really care that if it does anything to my hair, man, your girlfriend or wife, fiance, whoever will appreciate you spraying this in your hair. It smells that great. You will smell like you came out of a salon or a barber shop. Definitely on this one here, the smell is more in line with a barber shop. Some of the fragrance or the smells of a lot of these different products that I share with you guys or that I've experienced, they tend to smell more of like, almost like a unisex, more of a salon smell. This one definitely takes on more of that classic, manly barbershop vibe. So if you like that smell, which I absolutely do, you will love this scent. A woman could use this, but I think that the scent is definitely more geared towards a man. However, a woman could pull it off too, but it is more of a manly scent. They don't have the notes here on what is in the actual tonic as far as the notes, but barbershop vibe though. That's it. That's the best I can give you. So again, I want to thank Duke Cannon for their generosity for changing my hairstyling game with their hair tonic. It's definitely a product that I will definitely always have in my arsenal of hair care products. I think it's something that you guys will definitely benefit from. You know, again, no matter what hairstyle that you have, no matter how you wear your hair, even if you just basically get in the shower, wash your hair, and throw on a baseball cap, this is going to not only smell great, it's just going to give you that texture, it's just going to make your hair feel better, and it will make you feel better in addition to that. So, all right, guys, let me know what you think of the product. Let me know if you have any questions whatsoever. I could always bump those questions up if up the ladder if I don't have the answer. Link is in description. I know a lot of you guys, I tell you guys to click my link. I do get commission on different products. It depends on the product, depends on my agreement with the company. I don't have any kind of affiliate, or they don't have any kind of affiliate program that I'm aware of. Hopefully that might change. I'll also put a link to eBay where you might pick this up directly through eBay or Amazon. They might have an Amazon store. If those stores are available, I will also put the link in there. But I encourage you to check them out. They have all kinds of great products. This is just one of the several that they sent me. They have, hair, like I will review next, the Anchor Fiber Pomade that definitely gives your hair, again, more fullness. And when you layer these different products designed to give your hair more body, more fullness, more of a manageable quality, it just really makes a huge difference. It's again layering all the qualities of these products to get the look you want and to really make yourself feel as good as you possibly can, and for me, make myself feel like $1 million. So again, I can't tell you, when I go get my hair did and come out, I get my hair cut, fresh hair dye, brand new product, smelling great, feeling great, clean, styled right, I feel like $1 million. And I want you guys to also feel that way as well. So check out their website. Let me know if I can help you in any way. Again, depending on your hairstyle, there are different products for different hairstyle. But I think that really you can use any of them on any kind of hair. Just depends on what look you're going for and what you prefer. So, all right, subscribe to the channel, guys. Click the bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video. I want to again thank Duke Cannon for their generosity in sending me their products. They've also made a customer for life. I'd like to try out some of their other products. They have like a grooming tonic and shave gel, shave balms. They have like shower gels. They have tons of product. So check it out. Order some stuff. Let me know what you think. And remember, there's no excuse for not smelling good, guys. Have a good evening. Take care.